Let's tow this 50-foot azimuth that lost a motor and all thrusters. Good evening. We just got a call for a 50-foot azimuth that broke down. Only has one motor, lost both of his thrusters. So he's at Casa Nails in the river. We're going to Bayside Marina. Let's go get on scene with him, hook him up, and take him back. There's the boat right there. Let's hook him up. Now we got him hooked up. We just opened the bridge. Let's tie him off and get him back to the marina. Now we got him in tow. Let's take him back to Bayside. Getting to the entrance of Bayside, we're gonna slow him down, put him on the hip. Now we have him on the hip. Let's get him into the slip. Now they're using their one motor to get in the slip. Once they tie off, we'll get a signature and we're all done. Now it's back in its slip. It was a little sketchy, but as long as you go slow, you'll make it happen. Slow is pro. Now the job done.